Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've got a small box opening to do from a craft company called GBFKE. I'll leave all the links underneath the video. Now I haven't used this one before, so we'll have a little look. As you know, I do crochet, I do diamond art, and I do various other arts and crafts. They're not always all on my channel. So let me have a little look. Now, this is a diamond painting. And we've got Mother's Day coming up in the future. There's Valentine's Day. If you're looking for a gift for someone, how about trying this? Now, I'm going to take this out. And it shows, it's got all the instructions on it. You follow the diagrams, you use the diamonds that correspond with the picture in the pattern. And look at this. Look at this. This is so pretty. Now, once I've done this, I was seriously thinking of cutting round them a little hacksaw, putting a little hole up here and hanging them out on the window, but you can't see the other side. But that is so pretty. You put that in a window and the sun's going to shine right through to the other side. Now what you do is you peel it off and your picture is sticky. With this one, it's really good because it's only sticky where the diamonds go. The rest of the picture is not sticky. And that's good. That would be really nice, like hanging in my bathroom, I think. I think that's what I'll do with that. Now you get everything you need. You get the diamonds. You get, oh, it's a stand. Oh, this is a standy up one. Well, look at that. Once you've got it made, oh, that's quite hefty. You pop it in there and it becomes a stand. Do you know you can hang your jewellery off of there, off those corners and things. That is so pretty. Look at that. That's pretty. That is so nice, that one. I really like that. I'll leave all the links underneath the video. And I want to thank GBFKE for sending this. I really like that. I'll leave the link to the website under the video. Now there is another diamond art one. I've got this little one. I need to start videoing me doing these. I do sit and I do these, but I don't sit down where I've got my camera. I don't sit up here. What is this one? This is another little stand. I've got Muttley on the floor if you can hear him. He's playing around with a box. Is this another stand? What are you doing? You're trying to get my attention. He's got himself covered in dust. Oh, look at that one. That one's pretty. That is so pretty. Do you know, you could put that, when you make it and you stand it, you push that into the slot, into that slot there. That would be so pretty sitting in the windowsill, wouldn't it? That's a dragonfly. Look at that. That is so nice. I love that one. Now, unfortunately, I can't remember how much these are. And they are going to give me a discount code as well, and that'll be up underneath the video by the time this video goes live. Now, I got myself something. Now, my name is Alison. My daughter's name is Amy. My granddaughter's name is Abby. And so look what I got. I got a resin mould. Now, this one's quite deep, but you don't need to fill it right up. You can, but you don't need to. But I need to be careful because when the the one that I use, the resin I use is 1-on-1, and it's not a deep pour resin. I might need to get some deep pour resin, because when you use the 1-on-1 and you've got a big deep mold, it can get very hot. The resin heats up as it cures, but you need to get the deep pour one when you've got these deep molds. I think you do. And the deep pour one will cure a lot slower. It'll be a lot slower, but that is going to be so pretty. So when you've got it out, look at that. It'll stand up. It'll stand up. And the whole alphabet is on the website. The whole alphabet. And it's only a few pounds for it. But look at that. It's so pretty. I really like that one. I'll need to get a Z for my son, and an L for my son's partner, Latricia, and an S. Well, that almost makes it Alison anyway, doesn't it? ALISON. With a Z. I need to get one with a Z for my son's Zach. That is so pretty. Look at that. I'll pop that on the top. Now, I don't have much more. Oh, I've been waiting and you know, I've just done my dream catcher. I've got a smaller dream catcher, and I did this big one with Sandra, and I liked it so much. Look at this one. I think the feathers on this one might be even bigger. I'll get it out this noisy bag. Look at this. This is the same one that Sandra had, and I loved it. Sandra and I did the feathers. And look at that. Look at that. You can mix and match these. Look at these feathers. Now, I'm going to get the dream catcher that I've just finished. So this is the dream catcher that I've just made. And look, it's almost the same size as that one, but it's a different pattern. So I can chop and change it. The difference is, with this one, the centrepiece is smaller. That is a much bigger centrepiece. You can get this mould for about £12 as well. And look at the size of the feathers on this one. These are the biggest size of feathers. Now look at that. These are not even the smallest size. And this one, look at this. Look at the difference in the size. Absolutely amazing. Just these are brilliant for crafting. I'm going to show you a picture. Now, Sandra got this as well, this one, and she put real feathers in there. She put real feathers inside it, and it turned out beautiful. I'm going to pop this one aside. Now, I'll need to check if the JB company has these dream catchers as well. And there's, with the other one, there's so many different ones. There's about 5 different ones. But look at this. This one's got a hanging top, and the other one doesn't. Sandra said it's quite intricate to do this one. But it is, once you've got it, if you do it on a flat surface, with this one, and you can scrape the residue off and clean it all up once you've done it. You can pour it like this as well. You can put that sort of there. That gives you an idea when it's joined fully together how big this is. Where's my tape? This one is about 7.5, nearly 8 inches wide. If you go from there to there, it's 8 inches wide. If you go from that point to that point. And going up and down from that point down here, it's 20 inches. It's 20 inches. But bearing in mind that when you hang it, you give it a little bit of space like that. So this is a big dream catcher. You can make sun catchers and hang these in the window. When you do it with resin, you can hang them outside. I will do this one. I really want to. I've got a little bit better with my resin pouring to that. Look at the difference in the size of the centre from that other one to this one. Just for about the same price. Beautiful, beautiful. Definitely going on there to see what else I can get. Now I'm going to pop that up the side because I have got one more. I've got one more, another beautiful dream catcher. Now I'll just throw that down on the floor for Muttley. Make a bit of a noise. Oh, look, this one's got all the bits that you need. Look at this one. You get the jump rings, you get the chains in this kit. Piece of string for hanging it. Now, I think this might be the same as that one that I've just shown you. Definitely. I think it's very similar. Now, that is, because that fits. But there are a lot of the different ones of these. The other one I had, you don't get all the kit. You don't get all the jump rings. And look at these for jump rings. They're brilliant. Now, these are the feathers that I got on that other one, but it's not. It's kind of all stuck in with each other. Let's just peel that off of there. Now, this is a different one from the one that I have. The one that I have, so the one that I have has these flowers in it, and this is a different one. This is that one. And I'm sure they sell these as placemats and coasters as well. And I've got this part of this mould. So I've got the part of this mould because it gets sold. Put that back there in the flap. It gets sold as a placemat. So not just dream catchers, you can use these as placemats as well. Look at that one. I'll turn that one round, but look at the difference. They're both the same size. They're both about 8 inches. The difference with this one, it's got the loop up here to hold it and here. This one's got the loops. It's a proper Dreamcatcher one because they look a lot better. I'll need to send a picture to Sandra. You get the pieces of chain and you get... Oh, look, it's those little things. They are so much better for a dream catcher where it opens up like a key ring. This is like one of those key ring parts. That is amazing. Joe, that's brilliant. And you get a piece of string. It's a much better kit for joining it all together. I'm going to keep all of that together. Now, you'll tell me that's not the way to store it all together, but I love this. I've been waiting for this. So I really do want to thank JB FKE website. I'll put a link underneath the bottom. It's an amazing website. It's got so much on it. And look at these. Look at this. £4. £4.25. £4.25. If they've got a sale on as well, and if you spend over a certain amount, then you get free delivery. These are beautiful. Now, these are 30 centimetres. That's diamond art. If you like diamond art, 30 centimetres is this big. That's how big those butterflies and flowers are. That is not bad at all. You get 20% off. Oh, that cat is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, the horse is nice. But we'll put in the moulds. So there we go. This one here is £7.67. Now that was the one that I got the feathers, the middle part, and all the kit to build it. That one was a different one. And that's an 8-inch one. That one is £12.84. For that, it's a brilliant price for that big, big mould. It's a beautiful mould. I've got lots of other things on here. There's the letter A. It was £5.08. And there's other dream catchers as well. Beautiful molds if you're into resin molding. Now, I think for this one with the kit, I've seen 4 different ones of that, but it does double up as a placemat setting for a table. That's a beautiful one there. That's a chime, 5.94. Look at there's a table one. It's £50 for the table, but that's a coffee table size, and you get the legs and all the bits for it. Well, there's a beautiful guitar, 4.22. Beautiful, beautiful. There's the letters. It's a lovely website. Absolutely lovely website. Got all the molds and you've got loads of diamond art. Thank you so much to GBFKE and their website. Thank you so much for sending this. It's amazing. It really helps my channel out as well. Brilliant. And I'm going on there myself to have a look for some more items. They do crochet, they do diamond art, they do painting by numbers, they do embroidery, they do resin pouring, they do obviously the diamond, and it's not just all the big posters for the diamond painting. They do other things like those standing up pictures. They're beautiful for putting them on your windowsill. The sun comes shining and the light comes shining through. They do lots of different crafts. Go on and have a look. And I'm going back on to have a look and see what else that they have. They do lots of different things, and the delivery is really quick as well. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.